Miami-Dade College for years, since its very beginning, has been a catalyst for economic growth and social mobility, and we must preserve that. We value diversity. We value inclusion. We live by the understanding that the condition of your birth should not determine the outcome of your life. We believe that we are an institution that is to be open to everyone who needs to advance. We'll continue to be the Dream Factory. We will continue to be democracy's college. We will continue to be our community's college, all because of your strong determination to make a difference.
I am Caridad Hidalgo Gato.
I am Carlos Fernandez Guzman.
I'm Harry Wayne Casey.
I'm Donnie Hudson.
I am Dr. Jeevan Frank. I am George Colina.
I am Ignacio Ares.
I am Luis Diaz.
I am Luis Machado.
I'm Marilyn Blanco Reyes.
I am Madeline Pumariega.
I am Michelle Martinez Reyes.
I'm Peter Antonacci.
I am Dr. Samantha Corella.
We are MDC.